Today is my day 7. I'm very satisfied with the result here. For the past experience I had with GLOJAS Clinic was incredible. So I will recommend if you want to do your hair transplant, come here, okay? Because they have a very hygiene place, very cleanliness place, and also most of the nurses and doctors here are very professionals. Because I'm losing my hair on the upper part here, the front part, and also the front part. For the past 7 days, yes, of course, there are many people actually notice that. I think some of them actually check on me. They ask me a few questions, whether it's pain or not, how is the process, is it very costly to do that. So I explain everything to them. Then I think they also want to, find out, come and do a consultation. It's actually recommended by my friend. I see the result, the end result from him. I think he did it 1.5 years before. I can see the result, that something that I want to be. Of course, hair protection is very important. That also stress, and also sometimes you're not taking care well of your hair. Eventually, you won't feel like confidence enough. Because sometimes before I decided to do hair transplant, I thought of, okay, it's losing hair, doesn't matter. When people come to aging, definitely you will lose hair. By the time when I see myself, getting lesser and lesser hair, you were actually losing confidence as well. To me, I actually went to most of the clinics, trying different solutions to rescue the hair, but actually useless. I have tried many products. So if I have no GLOJAS Clinic few years back, I would actually do a decision earlier. I think first is actually they have a very professional team, not only doctors and also from nurse and the crew, all the staff here. Of course, they have a lot of testimony. But one thing I like it the most is actually the 1-year follow-up. Yeah, I think most of the people now actually flying to China, to do their hair transplant. But I would say after the hair transplant, after the treatment, after the surgery, follow-up is actually very important. Before the treatment, from the consultations, actually I make a decision very fast. They did a very well presentations for what I need to do before and after. I know what is the consequences and also things that I actually have to be careful. After from day 1, when I step in, the whole operations, the whole process is actually very smooth. I don't have to worry because there are many staff actually telling me it's the next things I need to do. So you don't have to worry actually. Very smooth process. I'm expecting to, at least 10 years younger. Now, of course, because we are doing business, we have to meet people every day. That's why image, the first impressions to people are very important. So I think this is the most reason, intentions that why I want to do hair transplant. So at last, I want to thank you, Dr. Jas, for his good and skillful experience that I had with him, and also with his team. Especially thank you to Emma, okay, because I see her when he actually doing the treatment for me. Actually, it's a very long process. So I thank you every of the crews and staff behind GLOJAS. Thank you very much.